Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your study abroad experience with IES Abroad, beginner guide step by step clearly. Studying abroad can be a transformative experience. IES Abroad is a top choice for students seeking international education. The first step is to research the programs offered by IES Abroad. Visit their website to explore different locations and majors. Take note of the application requirements for each program. Consider your academic and career goals when choosing a destination. Next, consult your academic advisor for advice on program compatibility. Discuss how studying abroad may fit into your degree plan. Once you've selected a program, gather the necessary application materials. Prepare your transcripts, recommendation letters, and personal statements. Be mindful of deadlines to ensure a smooth application process. After submitting your application, anticipate an interview. This is your opportunity to express your motivations and goals. If accepted, begin your preparation for departure. Attend any pre-departure orientations provided by IES Abroad. These sessions will help you understand the logistics of living abroad. Start budgeting for your time overseas, including living expenses and travel. Looking into scholarship opportunities can help reduce financial burden. Consider purchasing travel insurance for added peace of mind. As your departure date approaches, embrace the excitement of this journey. Connect with fellow students who will also be studying abroad. Join IES Abroad social media groups and forums to engage with others. Learn about the cultural norms and customs of your host country. Familiarize yourself with the language basics. Once abroad, take full advantage of academic resources provided by IES. Attend cultural events and excursions organized by IES Abroad. Engage with local students to enrich your experience. Document your experiences through journaling or photography. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.